All right. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to automate the Tinder/Bumble swiping process on an Android phone. For whatever reason, you have an Android, perhaps you're just starting out, you just got a model, you can't afford a big, an iPhone farm like I preach about, you can't afford these proxies and all that, or app cloner or any of that nonsense. So perhaps you've just got a model and you're like, you know what, I'll create a Tinder and a Bumble account on my personal Android phone, and then I'll see how it works from there. So whatever the reason, I want to show you how to automate on an Android phone, mainly because I already showed how to do this on an iPhone using the switch control function. And I had a few spare shitty Android Nokia phones lying around because back when I first started doing this, I didn't know what I was doing. I went out and purchased 5 $100 shitty Nokia Android phones, thinking, all right, I'm just going to set up a farm. And then I realized, it doesn't, not that easy. Android phones are not the ones to do it with. Because all the information, all this different information leaks. That's a long story. All this different information leaks to the dating apps. Your location, IP. There's just a lot of leakage. So that's why iPhones are the way. And now I just preach iPhones. Yes, there's all these other ways, that cloner and proxies and all this, but I've got a feeling that a lot of people, I've said this before, I've got a feeling that a lot of people think the more complex it is, it must be better. Like if it's more complex, it must be better. And I'm here to tell you that's not the case. But oh well, you just keep doing you, boo. I keep preaching the iPhone method because it gets the highest return for the time put in, the longest account lifespans by far. We don't verify. No one still believes us. You see on Empire forums exactly how we do it. I'm on a way that you could create accounts repeatedly, knowing they're going to get banned eventually, with as little steps as possible. So I was thinking, how can I do this without verifying? How can I do it without setting up a proxy? How can I do it without configuring anything? How can I do it without having to jump through all these hoops that come with using a proxy or an app clone app? Cloner app. As minimal steps as possible, and I land on iPhone. Minimal step. You'll see an Empire anyway. But you just keep doing you. If you think you're a know-it-all, and fuck you. I'm gonna spend $2 grand on the app cloner because it's better, and I'm gonna create 162 accounts. Then you obviously missed my whole message, because if you know what you're doing, you probably won't need 162 accounts, because the ones you create will last for a long time. But anyway, for whatever reason, you want to create on an Android phone, I'm going to show you how to do it. I went off on a bit of a tangent there. Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com and the Empire Forums, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely, hence different hotel rooms and pets and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video. All right, so for this, you're going to need ClickMate, the app, free to download on Google Play. Then when you download, you're going to open it. It is lagging a bit because the Android phone that I'm using is so shitty that I have to share it using an app and a web browser. Yeah. But look, I wanted to put one of these shitty Nokia phones to use because, as I said, back when I started, I bought a heap of them thinking I could just start a farm and, oh yeah, we'll get a dating app farm going with all these phones. And yeah, nah, not that easy. So they just sit there. So I thought, you know what, it would be nice to actually put one to use during this video. So that explains laggage. Anyway, yeah, so you want the ClickMate app, free to download on the Google Play Store. You will need to become pro user, otherwise you will be limited in what you can do, what you can record. I say record because you need to record certain gestures, and then you put them on loop, and then you replay them on Tinder and Bumble, and that's how it works. If you don't have Pro, you can't do that. Or you can do it it won't work properly. It's like $2.50 for 3 months or something like that. Oh, but how do I connect the credit card? I want to link my credit card. Google Play card. Google Play card. There you go. You're welcome. All right. So now what we're going to do, I can't remember what the state button did. Oh, that's for my previous one. Yeah. So for this, we're going to create a new one. So you're going to go to record mode. Now, record mode is going to bring up this little UI here, which means when you press this little record button, it's going to record all the gestures you do. And then when you stop, it will save it. And then you'll be asked to how many times you want it to loop. And then when you go to play the gesture that you recorded, it will loop as many times as you selected. If done correctly, you press play, and it will just keep going through about 100 matches for you on Bumble. I say 100 matches because if you do any more than that a day, you get in risky territory, and then you start setting off some alarm bells. But anyway, so we've got that. Then you're going to go to Bumble. Now, the usual way I see a lot of people do this is they have this swipe. Now, the usual way that I see a lot of people do this is they have this swiper thing going on and they just keep swiping right. I'm not going to do it on here because the animation is going to fuck up because it's going to keep matching. They keep swiping right. Like, it reminds me of like that thing on the Simpsons episode with Homer, just keeps doing that. But these apps are triggered by repetition. They know what we're up to. They're not stupid. They have more tech behind them than what you can imagine. Go and look into Tinder and the tech they use. It is insane. So they detect repetition. So all these people selling bots and yeah, we'll bot this and bot that and bot you and blah blah blah. They're onto you. Good luck. It's not gonna last long. So what I thought, as you've seen in my other videos, I don't give a fuck about what everyone else does. I think what will work when we do that, rather than reasoning by analogy. Because if you reason by analogy, you're going to copy everyone else, and you're going to have the same problems as everyone else. So for this, you go to the likes. Now you're going to need Bumble Premium, but if you're running this operation and you want more than 10 matches, you're going to need Bumble Premium anyway. So this is because if you go to swipe using this method here, then you need to record gestures that take into consideration when it matches. I'm just assuming it'll be a match or not, or it's lagging. Oh, well, that didn't work, is it? You need to take into consideration all the things that pop up. So you need to take into consideration, oh, that was a bad example. You need to take into consideration when all these little messages pop up. You need to take into consideration when it matches, which means you need to press the X there. You need to take into consideration when it asks you to verify, not ask, but it recommends you to verify down the bottom. You need to take into consideration all those things when you're putting in gestures, which means if a message comes up unannounced or something comes up, a text box comes up unannounced, the gestures you put in aren't going to work with it because they're going to be used to doing what they do. And then if a text box or something comes up that you're not expecting, the gesture is going to try and just interact as usual and it's not going to work. It's going to get stuck on that. So for that, we use likes because only two things can happen. You can swipe right or left, all right? All right, so we're going to go record here. Now, you want to do about 100 matches. So for this, we're going to do 10. We're going to do 10 right matches. And then we'll just loop it, 10 times? That makes sense, all right? Now, a key to doing everything we do is looking maximum human. A lot of people are like, yeah, no, you just get automated and swipe. Yeah, that's the easy part. You have to look maximum human, otherwise your account's not going to last long at all. So maximum human is the key, all right? How do we look maximum human? Watch this. All right, so we're going to record. Yes. All right, so we go 1, and then we'll go left, and then we'll scroll up, and then we'll go right. It's lagging heaps because the shitty phone and the app and whatever else, all right? There you go, and you go right. I can't remember how many we've done. It's about 10, I don't know. Anyway, then you go left. I say maximum human because what does a human do? A human takes their time, they have a look, and they go, yeah, and then, oh, actually, nah. A human doesn't go, right, yes, 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 yes. That's what a human does, and they'll scroll up and they'll go, yeah, nah. By the way, I'm just swiping left on random ones, all right? So we'll stop that. Now, what you do, once you've done that, you'll click this little button here. You go to options, load, save, and then you're going to go repeat counts here. I keep looking down because the shitty phone and blah, 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 I couldn't interact with it using the mouse, all right? So now for this, I don't know how many we did. We did about 10. We'll say we did 10. So you want to repeat 10 times, all right? Now you're going to write a little name here. No, here. I'm just going to write test because I've already done one for this, but I'm just going to write test anyway. Okay. Now, each time you go to perform this, each day or whatever, however often you want to do it, this is what you have to do. So you'll open up the app, click mate, you go state yes, pop up the little UI thing in the middle there, then you click on the little hamburger, and your options, load save, then you go load, and you go to one, I've got a few there, and then you'll go to whatever one you saved. I called mine Bumble Premium, but we'll go to the test. And now, when you press play, it's going to play that test, all right? So for this, we're just going to reset everything, go back to normal, have all the likes loaded at the top. And now we're going to play the exact same gesture sequence that I just recorded for you, all right? So here we go. So let's play. Now I'm going to sit the phone down. Magic. And that's it. So as I said at the start, for whatever reason, using an Android phone, I'm assuming you're not having a farm of them because it doesn't really work having a whole bunch of them. For whatever reason you're doing it, I thought it'd stop there for a second, but I didn't. For whatever reason you're using it, I don't know. I just wanted to show you how to do it on an Android phone. So I've showed you how to do it on an iPhone, and then web browser is easy. I can also do another video how to do it on a web browser if you want. Um, and yeah, so I thought as a part of the channel about showing people how to do everything, setting it up on Android is part of that for whatever reason you may want to do it. All right. So now, while we're leaving this here, oh, how could I forget? Now, oh my God. Oh, it's gone up to $200. That's expensive. If you think it's expensive, then you haven't been in this game for very long, because you'll know that when you go to try and acquire information from anyone in these shitty Telegram and Discord communities, everyone says, okay, I'll let you know, DM me. And what that means is you DM me and I'll say my price, and then I'll give you the answer that you're looking for. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't work. And I thought, fuck that. So I created a forum that has fucking everything. Everything we do, everything I know, this knows. Gets updated bi-weekly. At the moment it's $79. I always said the price was going to jump up when we get to 500 members. And we have well and truly passed 500 members. Let's have a lookie. Let's have a look. 542. So you're lucky I'm even waiting this long. Seriously going last chance, because every time I up the price, I get so many people DMing me on Telegram and Insta. Oh, hey bro, can you give me the old price? I just saw this now. Oh no, I even made a fucking huge banner just so you can see it, all right? Now, one thing I just had another idea with that I'm gonna do today is I thought, because the whole reason of the Empire Forums was creating what I would have wanted when I was starting out. By the way, this thing's running in the background, pretty cool. What I would have wanted when I was starting out and what would have fast forwarded the process. Now, what slowed me down when I was starting out was I joined all these communities, the Telegram, Discord community, and it was a lot of noise, very little signal. Now, what does that mean? It means it was a lot of nonsense, shit talking, bullying, fuckheads, and very little information I was actually using. And I found I was wasting my time. So this does the opposite. This has all signal and no noise, which means all the information you want and no bullshit, no shit talking, no bullying, no gatekeeping, no blah, blah, blah. All right? Literally all here. And yeah, I had another idea today. I thought, now a lot of people are willing to pay because they are lazy and they want the shortcut. So I thought, okay, what's a way we can do that? So it already has everything. You already know that. I've shown you this in every video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, my golly, go watch another video and you'll see. I had another idea today. Up top, I'm thinking of making another category here. It's going to be called like how to grow an agency from 0 to 20K a month, something like that. And what I'm going to do is inside that, I'm going to list all the steps. I've actually done something similar. I'm going to list all the steps. I made a blueprint here somewhere. I'm going to list every step. Where I had it. Not sure where I put it. Maybe it's in the toolpack. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so it's going to have all the steps involved. It's going to say outreaching, onboarding, signing, setting up admin, setting up traffic, paying, invoicing, all the steps. This is what I'm going to do. And then underneath each, it's going to have a link to each post where you can get that information. For example, traffic, under the traffic section, it's going to be like, I don't know, step 7, traffic, for example. Under that, it's going to say, here's where you find all the ways to set up your Tinder Bumble account. It's going to link to the topic. This way, it's going to be like a course that is forever getting updated, because the actual post is just going to say where to find the information and what order to find it in. So then you can see the steps involved, how to grow an agency from 0 to 20K a month, for example. And then the steps are going to stay the same. And then the information it's going to point to can still get updated without having to update this topic, because it's just going to be a link. And then I thought, my God, if that is not enough, then you go spend $2,000 on a chatting course or whatever. All right? You go do that, because my giddy aunts, I don't preach about this for nothing. Look at this. I've done over, check this out. Oh, I don't want to do it because it's going to show the email and IP address and vendor. I've posted over 450 posts, I think, alone in this. So that's not enough. Anyway, well, that's it. So yeah, so if you check that out. If you find this helpful and you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.